Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over the Typhur app tutorial. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Typhur device and you're wondering how to go ahead and use the app. Well, this video is for you. So to start off with, you want to go ahead into the App Store and then you're going to go ahead and type in Typhur. So the Typhur app looks like this. So it's this one right over here. So just go ahead and install it and then create an account and log in. Now, once you're logged in, this is what your home page is going to look like. So we're going to go tab by tab. The Explore page is good if you need ideas of what to cook. So it organizes the recipes based on what device you have. So as you can see here, these are recipes if you have the Typhur Dome 2. These are recipes if you have just the Typhur Dome. These are recipes if you have the Sous Vide Typhur, and these are recipes if you have the Typhur Sync. So it organizes it based on whatever Typhur device that you actually have. So for example, if I have a Typhur Dome 2, I can browse via pictures, and then let's say I want to go ahead and make an air fryer beef hamburger. You can see that it shows you the servings, the total time, the ingredients, the steps, and etc. So that's pretty neat as far as what's included with the Typhur app. Now, AI Wellness, this right here is like an AI integrated app where you can take a picture of your food and it'll tell you how many calories it is and basically just give you a food tracker. So I don't really use the AI Wellness portion of the Typhur app. Now, devices, this is where you could actually go ahead and connect your Typhur devices. So as you can see here, I have my Typhur Dome 2 and my Typhur Sync air fryer already connected to the Typhur app. Now, in order to add a device, just click on the plus icon on the top right-hand corner, select your device, turn your device on, and then turn it into Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth pairing mode for it. So if you have a Typhur Sync or a Type Fast Nugget Ice Maker or Typhur Dome, just click on the one which corresponds to whichever device that you have. Now, you do have a Typhur store, so you can buy devices from there. And then you have your profile, which I don't really use all too often. But now, the main thing is that once you have a Typhur device connected to your phone, you can click onto that device, and depending on which Typhur device you have, you're going to see different buttons. So for the Typhur Dome 2, for example, you can see that it's currently online. You can set different modes. There are different presets. And with the Typhur Dome 2 specifically, there's a self-cleaning mode as well. Now, in the top right-hand corner, you can click on the gear icon, and then this is where you can invite family members or friends to your device. So you can click on share device and then click on invite users. And that's going to allow you to invite a family member to your air fryer. Now for Typhur devices, anytime that you want to go ahead and start a device, you do have to manually start the device. So what I mean by that is, let's say I want to go ahead and air fry and then click on start. You can see here that it says, please head to your device and then tap on start. So you do need to go manually to the Typhur air fryer and actually click on start, which for me kind of feels a bit weird. Like it would be nice to actually start your air fryer from your mobile device, but maybe it's just a safety measure that they actually implemented. But I'm going to go ahead and start my air fryer really quickly. So you can see right now I have it to 330 and 17 minutes. So on my Typhur Dome 2 air fryer, it has the same settings. So if I go ahead and click on start, it's now going to go ahead and give me a timer on my phone. So with the app installed, you're basically going to get notifications on how much time is left on your mobile device. So you can see here, we have around 16 minutes and 45 seconds left. And if we wanted to, we could actually click onto the app and then click on pause. And that's going to go ahead and pause the Typhur device. Now, if you want to go and stop it, you can click on stop, and that's going to ultimately stop your device. But if you do need to go ahead and start it again, you have to manually start your Typhur air fryer. But that's pretty much it though, as far as how to use this Typhur app in this Typhur app tutorial. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually use this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.